You know that it's quite warm. It's not wicked, so that's good.
Is that doing the right thing? Yeah.
There with that, so that's good. Not to worry too much about that. Yeah, that's gone cold now. Wait while it melts again.
Yeah, it's amazing how that draws the heat, isn't it?
It's quite warm as well.
I'm pulsing this, trying to be.
It's a minute and a half, which is, I think, not bad. Nearly there. Perhaps with a bit more steel, you have a bit more of a heat sink as well. And it'll just, you know. There we go, nearly there. It's almost melted.
Oh yeah, I can see it bubbling to the top there. Now you got the. There you go. There you go. You got it.
So I was
It's just so funny. I can see I've taken the heat off that, and it was, you could still see it, still the heat going through. So definitely is
I'm not going to do it, but normally if it's got a bit of solder splash, you just wipe it off while it's still molten.
yeah.
I'm going to take this up to a proper joint, I think. It need to fill in there a bit, I think. Yeah, certain. On the other side it might be easier. Just back the heat down just a little bit, please.
Yeah.
Come back on again now. It's getting a little bit too warm.
I think where's all that solder going to?
Hopefully not up the bloody cable.
Yeah. It is starting to go up a little bit actually as you speak. So
Sorry.
Yeah. Do you work it in such level? Do you normally? Is that the idea?
So you get it so that it's just overflowing. Seems to be about right.
Yeah.
Because it does tend to shrink a little bit.
Yeah, when it cools.
When it cools.
Yeah.
So you kind of try and get like a meniscus around the top if I can.
Yeah. Oh, I
won't claim to be an expert at this. I want to relearn something that I did 30 odd years ago.
Yeah.
A bit more heat on it.
Yeah, probably just give it a little bit. Just a little. But we are definitely getting there.
There we go. Yeah.
However, a bit there. If I can just get some more in there while it's still warm. Very close, that is.
Yeah.
Actually, just trying to get it so it's in the middle a bit.
Do you want me to hold that and you work it, or you?
Yeah, actually, that might just help a little bit.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, just keep it steady. Yeah, don't move it. You can. Just like that. That's it. You got it. Yeah, starting to get a little bit. That's better. That's better. That's better. That's got it.
Oh god, yeah. That's
got it.
perfect on this side. So.
That's got it. That has.
Colin touches it and it's all fixed.
That's it.
Yeah.
He's the
Well, I
man.
think it's a question you need 3 hands, don't you? So,
It is a bit, but
Yeah.
no, that's worked really well. That.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's.
yeah. Well, we can send this video to your colleagues and you.
Well, if I get it on it, I can maybe. And that's get it on a USB. I can put it on a USB.
You'll have a job sending it, won't you? But yeah, I am pretty happy with that. Actually, I think that's about there. And also with having the heat sink that's got plenty of heat in it.
Yeah. And the
it's,
heat is.
I'm still soldering this, so that's really good.
Well, I have to say, I'm really impressed with that. It's sort of done that far better than I thought it would, and that's just with a little bit of steel stuck on the bottom, isn't it?
And it's got a bit loose as well now. The copper wire's gone a bit loose.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right, if we just hold that steady, and see how we go with that. I learned long ago, do not grab all the hot end of the solders again.
No.
Have we finished filming now, do you think?
Yes, I think so. We just want to sit there and wait while it cools.
Want a little pan onto you?
Not really.